Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about Uber to cut tips on certain customers. Oh, snap. What the hell?
Yeah, I said that. I saw
no.
this. I was like,
Exact promises tipping will be completely axed for certain customers and ends price switches after the ride is ordered. Don't worry, people. Don't worry. This isn't actually for drivers. This is for AVs. So it says no driver, no tip. I mean,
yeah, well,
we all know though. We all know though in reality that there's glitches and shit that happen all the time, and then all of a sudden the passenger will be like, "Why can't I tip my driver? What's going on here?" And then you will be out tips because we know that they play that game.
so they had an exclusive with Sachin on this, by the way. So Sachin, I want to. Okay, we forgot. We gave up on Dara. I burned way too many bridges for that. But now, Chris, now I have not one, not two, but three people watching what I'm doing. So, hello, everyone.
Oh.
So, because we're going to talk about it in the next segment. How about it? Bring Sachin on. He's the head of the integration of AVs to Uber's platform. You know what I mean? Because I think he should come on and talk to our community about the concerns of AVs and how they're going to destroy, right, the livelihoods of many human drivers. But this is for, why would you have a tipping box on an AV anyway? Where does that go? Who collects that? The engineers collect it?
I mean, that's what we were talking about though. How many weeks ago, where there was the tip on the app, and it was like, you got to be kidding me, right? You're an AV, you're not getting a friggin' tip.
No, I've taken Waymos in LA. There is a tipping box afterwards. It shows up.
I'd be like, no, get the hell out of here with that.
No, but why? Who like I was like, I don't know. Anyway, but not only now, see, but on this one, I read the whole story. This is like a long story in the Sun, and they had an exclusive with Sachin, who I know. So Sachin, come on, buddy. Come on. We're friends. I've interviewed you before. Forget about Dara. Just come on. Anyway, Sachin was moved up. He's the head of integration of AVs into the platform. So he says also that, upfront fare, right? But if you do multiple stops or switch the destination on AVs, if Uber gets you on their platform into an AV, like let's say Austin now, or coming up Atlanta exclusively, and DC now, Waymo's going to DC. So it's not going to change the pricing. So this opens a headache to Waymo, because what if, there'll be abusers of this, Sachin. You have to think about this. You should have talked to me about this before you came up with this idea. What if somebody orders like a 2-mile trip, and they get in the car knowing that they're not going to switch the pricing after the ride is ordered and extend the trip to like a 40-mile trip in an AV? How about that? See what I mean? Yeah, that will be a problem. But anyway, so yeah, no tipping on AVs. When you're in LA in a couple of weeks during Herbivore, I'm telling you, we're going to take an AV trip. Just there's no ifs and buts about it.
And I'm telling you, it ain't going to happen. Oh, you're funny.
We have to kidnap you and put one in. Whatever, bro. You're just going to go around the block.
I'll find a local cone, and that's just sitting there, and I'll just plop it right on and be like,
do whatever you want.
There goes our ride.
Yeah, it's all right. You should experience it. It's a really, it's a cool experience. But anyway, so
the only autopilot I do is when I go flying.
Okay. All right, fine. All right. We'll see.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.